Multi-slide patio doors, Washington, D.C., are the perfect solution for homeowners looking to enhance their outdoor living spaces. These sliding glass doors offer a seamless indoor-outdoor transition, allowing you to enjoy the beauty of your garden or patio from the comfort of your home. With custom patio doors, you can choose from a variety of designs and finishes to match your home's aesthetic. For those in Washington, D.C. seeking energy-efficient patio doors, there are numerous options available. These modern patio doors are designed to reduce energy consumption, keeping your home comfortable year-round. High-performance doors are an excellent investment, providing both style and functionality. Patio door installation in Washington, D.C. is a service offered by many local experts. Whether you're looking for residential patio doors or commercial patio doors, professional installation ensures that your doors are fitted correctly and function smoothly. Patio door replacement is also available for those looking to upgrade their existing doors. Glass door systems in Washington, D.C. are ideal for creating large, open spaces in your home. These systems include folding patio doors and large glass doors, which are perfect for contemporary patio door design. Durable patio doors are essential for withstanding the elements, and weather-resistant doors are a must-have in areas with varying climates. Innovative door systems in Washington, D.C. offer a range of patio door solutions to meet your needs. From space-saving doors to luxury patio doors, there's something for every homeowner. Multi-slide patio doors, Washington, D.C. experts in the area can help you choose the best options for your home, ensuring a perfect fit and finish. Patio door replacement in Washington, D.C. is a crucial service for maintaining the longevity of your doors. Regular maintenance and replacement can prevent issues such as drafts and leaks, keeping your doors in top condition. Weather-resistant doors are particularly important in this region, where the climate can be unpredictable. Outdoor living spaces in Washington, D.C. are enhanced by the addition of modern patio doors. These doors not only provide a beautiful view, but also increase the functionality of your outdoor areas. Custom patio doors can be designed to fit any space, offering a unique and personalized touch to your home. Seamless indoor-outdoor transition is a key feature of contemporary patio doors in Washington, D.C. This design element allows for a fluid connection between your indoor and outdoor spaces, perfect for entertaining or simply enjoying the view. Large glass doors are a popular choice for this purpose, offering unobstructed views and plenty of natural light. Folding patio doors in Washington, D.C. are a versatile option for those looking to maximize space. These space-saving doors can be folded away when not in use, providing a wide opening to your outdoor areas. Luxury patio doors add a touch of elegance to any home, making them a popular choice for discerning homeowners. Multi-slide patio doors, Washington, D.C. design encompasses a wide range of styles and materials. From traditional to contemporary, there's a design to suit every taste. Durable patio doors are essential for withstanding the wear and tear of daily use.